Hi everyone, it's Purranoid. Welcome back to my channel and to another Zentangle video. On screen, I'm posting what I used: Ohuhu fine line drawing pen, the Ohuhu metallic pens in gold and silver, and an Ohuhu sketchbook. Shadow would like to ask you to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment. This helps the cat distribution system keep on working. Alright, let's get started. Now, what I like about this Ohuhu sketchbook is that there is a blotter that you can put in between the pages, so if a marker does bleed through, it doesn't bleed onto the page underneath. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to get my workspace all ready here, and then we'll get started. I can't remember exactly which size of fine liner I started with. It was either the 005 size, so 005, or 1. But just pick one that you like. There's no hard or fast rule. You're just going to start in the middle and just do a wide, not a circular spiral, just kind of just do some shapes. It makes it more interesting, I find. And then just go all the way around the page, just leaving yourself some space because you need to go back in and sort of echo the first wonky spiral that you already put down on the page. Once you have your spirals done, you're going to ink in one of the spirals. I'm using the black, I think it's the Ohuhu 120. I said it at the beginning, so you can go back and look. But I'll also post all the materials I used down in the description of the video. So like I said, you're going to ink in all of one of the spiral arms. Then go back in, and now this is going to take a long time, so you might want to do this in spurts like I did. And I am using the gold metallic Ohuhu marker or pen. And you're just going to do a bunch of circles on the black, only on the black, and just go around and around. This is a great project for just relaxing, I find. It's something you could come back to, pick it up, especially if you have a long wait in a waiting room at some appointment. You know it's going to happen, to take something like this and just work on it a little bit at a time. So you're going to have to ink in the gold circles all around the spiral. So yeah, like I already said, it's going to take some time. So just work at it a little bit at a time. That's what I did. It took me maybe a week because I just worked at it a little bit at a time. Now you're going to do the same thing again with the other color. So I'm using the Ohuhu silver metallic pen, and then again, work at it in spurts. It's going to take a while to do these circles. And there's no right or wrong with the size of the circles. It's just completely random. You could do a whole bunch of big ones and then sprinkle in some little ones all around. Like that's what I'm doing. I'm just putting in circles all over. And I was turning my book and working on certain parts of the spirals and just letting them meet up naturally at the end. Now it looks a little washed out because I think I had the settings of my camera on pretty high so that it was brighter, and so my silver didn't show up as well. But this is something I'd really like to try on a smaller scale with different colors and different sizes, or maybe even different shapes. Squares, circles, triangles, just doing a different pattern, and they will always be different. And I'm really liking the look of how this is coming together. Look at all the circles. They're just, I don't know, to me it's just so pretty. I just love the colors, and I really want to try now to do this again with different markers, different colors, different shapes, and just see what I can come up with. And there we have it, the complete design. I really enjoyed this, and I loved the look that it gave at the end. I hope you will try it too, and let me know in the comments if you did and what colors did you use. Thanks again for watching, and I hope I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.